Hey guys, it's me, Keandra Shante. I am back with a new video. This is a quick, less than 5-minute hairstyle for once your old style is kind of frizzed out and it's time for wash day, but you're trying to push that back a little bit. So if you are interested in seeing this hairstyle, then just keep watching. I'm starting out with an old twist out. My hair is dry and definitely frizzy. As you can see, the front really doesn't have a curl pattern anymore. So I'm just going to fluff out my hair so that then I can style it. Now we're going to part it. I'm just going to pull out this front section. It doesn't have to be even or a straight part. If your hair is shorter, I would suggest making a straight part because you might be able to see it. But if you have longer hair, your hair is going to cover that part anyway, so don't worry about it. So now I'm clipping up the back and putting that out of the way so we can work with the front. I'm grabbing my spray bottle. It's just with water in it and just spritzing my edges because that's where I'm going to be applying the product. After I work the water into my hair, we're going to use this Pro Style gel to lay down our edges and slick our hair down. So I just rub that in. And then I'll take a bristle brush and brush it up. Be careful when you're brushing your hair that you're not brushing too hard or pulling your edges too hard. You don't want to over manipulate your hair. So now we're just going to pull that top part into a little ponytail. As you can see, I like to bun my hair and then pull the ends the rest of the way through. I found that this is an easier technique than trying to pull it all through at once. My ends don't get snagged in the hair tie this way. So this is just how I do it. Feel free to do it however you like. Now that that part is up, we are pretty much done. You just are going to fluff out the back part and get your desired volume, and then you're pretty much done. Know your black is beautiful. It's beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.